All right, so here's the KX after we cleaned it up. The carburetor, the boot, and the reeds are not there. They were removed for some reason. So we're gonna put it back together and we're gonna put some gas in it and see if it starts. I don't know why it was taken apart. So we will just see if it starts. It does have compression. But we are gonna replace the tires and fix up whatever else needs to be fixed up. And then probably just sell it. I already bought some new grips, so we're gonna have to take these off. Don't touch it, it's super sticky. Let's put some grips on it, and then we will, let's put the reed cage on. All right, we're gonna put some Pro Taper half waffle grips on this. We've never done this before, it's super easy. There's typically two, but you can't see it. This side is slightly bigger than this side, which means this one will go on the throttle, and this one will just go on the So the best way that we've ever done this is to take any kind of spray paint. This happens to just be gold duplicate wheel paint. I'm going to spray a little bit in here. This will lubricate the grip going in. And make it go in real easy. And in a couple hours it'll dry up and it'll be very, very, very secure. We'll do the other side as well.
Just like that.
All done. All good. All right, so I went ahead and hooked up the carburetor. Let's go ahead and get the tank on. Just a little mock-up. Go ahead and put it on there.
Or do you want to bolt it in?
No, we don't need to bolt it in. Just get the fuel line on. Can you get the fuel line on? You have to squeeze that to open up this guy. You're gonna have to squeeze it with both hands.
Right here?
Yeah, you're gonna have to put it through. You pull this down to secure it. Okay, so that's off. That's on. Still some fuel in it. Not a whole lot. All right, so we got some fuel in it. We got the fuel tank mocked up. We got the carb back on, no air filter. Turn the choke on. Give it a couple of prime kicks. Sounds good. Do not rev it after it starts, if it starts. Okay, go ahead and kick it, see if it starts. Whoa, sounds good. Here, let me try. Starts up.
Nice.
Sweet. Let's replace all the fluids and the tires, and let's go for a test ride. Awesome. Not bad for $275. Okay, so we got some new parts in today from Rocky Mountain ATV. We got a uni air filter, factory effects seat cover that fits the KX60, and a Trivey's rear fender. We're gonna go ahead and put these things on. First thing is take off the factory seat cover, clean it up a bit, and staple on the new seat cover. Let's go. Just finished the seat cover, and if I may say so myself, it turned out pretty darn good. Now, what we're gonna do is put the rear fender on the seat. So there we go. Those are the mounting locations, and I got an 8mm in the hardware, so we're ready to go. Alright, so we got the seat and the rear fender mounted up. It's not really bolted into place yet. I still need to do tires, both front and rear, but we're going to give it a little test go. Put some oil in it as well. Oh, and also, you saw those? Got the test rider here. I also have my baby son with me. So it should just be a one kicker. Go ahead. I did fix the clutch. Whoa!
What do you think?
Did it die? Did you kill it? Try starting it. Turn the fuel the other way. Or maybe it's just out of gas. All right, so here's a completed bike. Unfortunately, it is 8 o'clock at night and I can't get great video of it, but new fenders, both front and rear, new seat, new grips, new uni air filter. Just cleaned it up a little bit. Runs great. I think we showed some video of it running, or we took video of it running. But yeah, new grips, just cleaned her up. The reason I'm taking the video so late is I posted it on OfferUp and already got somebody that wants to buy it. So, oh, the other thing I did was new tires. Some Pirelli Scorpions, I believe. They were takeoffs on a bike, and so I got them pretty cheap. Anyway, that's it for this project. We're gonna go ahead and call it a wrap. If you like this content, go ahead and subscribe for more. Do give me a thumbs up. It does help me out. Helps promote the videos. But yeah, nice little break from the YZ that is almost done. You'll see a video of this soon.